Yo, DJ Zimmy here in the garage with my 66 Ford van. Working on the gaskets for the windows. When I got the van back from the garage, they had installed gaskets. Here's a picture of what they look like. All right, that's what most of the gaskets on the van look like. I was told that nippling would lay down after a while. Also, that's what the seams look like. Whenever you wash the van, water just runs right down into the inside of the doors. And what that actually is cut to length rubber. Fun fact, after talking to the good people at Steele Rubber, found out that these particular gaskets and a couple other ones for this van don't actually exist. So I've been working with them, sending them tracings of windows. They've been sending me prototypes of gaskets. I believe this is the fourth version. In here we've got an older version that's got a little bit of nippling and it doesn't exactly fit right. So we're gonna pop this out and then throw this on the glass, put it back in, send some pictures over to those guys. Hopefully we're pretty close to getting the finals done, and then you guys will be able to buy them if you have this van and need some gaskets. So we're just gonna cut this old gasket out with a razor blade. These are not the correct fit, so I don't feel bad about getting rid of them. There's ways to pop windows out with gaskets and maintain them. You want to be careful. You're just cutting the front side so that the back side still holds the glass. And you want to be careful to not cut the paint, obviously. Here's a picture of what I'm dealing with under that gasket. So we've got the new paint, the original paint that's still on there, and untreated rust. So I'm not too worried about getting gangster with the box cutter. All right, so this is coming off nicely. This one is nice because I can reach my hand into the driver's side window, hold the back of the glass, and kind of pop it out. Yeah, baby. Boom. And none of these gaskets were put in with any kind of sealer. So this is always the annoying part. You're going to very gently get this gasket on the window. It seems to work best if you put it on the small angle and then go the large angle. And I'm just using some wedge tools and some soapy water to lubricate everything here. All right, now we're on. We've got between a half an inch and an inch of gap on the sides, but that'll calm down a little bit. And it's, you need it tight enough that you can still get the window in, but also that the glass is going to be snug and there's not going to be any nippling. So we look good to go. This is called roping in the glass. You're going to use 1/8 inch to 3/16 cord or rope. You kind of want to start at the bottom where it's going to sit in, and you're going to wrap the entire window gasket with it. And then when you set it in, you start pulling that rope out, it's going to flip that inside lip up over the body, so it's going to stay in. If you want a better video of this, go to Steele Rubber Products YouTube and look for how to rope in back window glass gasket. All right, coming in pretty good. Obviously, this is easier with two people, but this window's nice and small, and I can reach my hand into the driver's side, so we'll be good to go. I took some pictures of this finished product and sent it over to the guys at Steele Rubber, and it sounds like this is within their tolerances, so this one should be good to go. You can expect to see this on their site soon. We're currently working on the large back window gasket also, so that should be up on their site soon. Thank you guys for following, and let me know if you have any questions, comments, tips, whatever. Peace.